Hello, my name is Akash baby.
My name is Meet Jamdani.
When we were in 12th standard, we were in a great dilemma as to which course we should choose. Then our tuition teacher, Dattu sir, guided us and told us about an international course ACCA.
He as well gave us a reference of a student pursuing his ACCA from a well-known institute, Yates Education.
We talked to him and then Google searched for the best ACCA coaching institute in Gujarat, and there we found Yates Education. We read all the reviews and inquired there.
We visited there personally and got to know much more about ACCA, like its scope, job opportunities, and multiple benefits.
We joined Yates Education in August 2021, and till now we have completed 4 papers and will be giving 2 more papers in June 2022.
We are glad we got to know about ACCA, a course which can be done together with your graduation.
Thank you Yates Education for giving us the confidence to complete our papers as soon as possible.
We are happy to say that in last years we will have a professional degree with our graduation.